Hello guys, today we're gonna learn how to make a golf ball in Solidworks. And by the way, I am a professional golf player. To be honest, the only thing I played is golf using tennis ball, and I'm sure I'm not the only one out there, so show yourself in the comments. Anyway, go to front plane, sketch, circle, diameter 42.7, line, and then trim entities, go to features, revolved, click on this line, okay. And go again to the front plane, sketch, normal to, try to select this edge and hit convert entities, center line from the origin to here, zoom in a little bit, go to 3-point arc, from this arc, and click again on this line and drag a little bit down. From this point to this we have 2.25, and from here to here we have 1. Go and select center line from this point horizontally, and then select tangent. Go and make a line from here to here. Isometric for a better view. Hit trim entities, we don't need this and we don't need this. Features, Revolve Cut, this line, and hit OK. So now we're going to go and create some axis, geometry, axis, and then front, top, OK. Gonna repeat this process a couple of times. Front, right, and the last one, top, right. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the patterns, select this axis, 15, 2, click on the feature, and then choose Revolve Cut. I'm going to repeat this process a couple of times again. Always the same, but then 30. Delete this one. And in the end, you're gonna know why I do this separately. $75. Delete this one. And the last. Bam. 90. Whew, a lot of work, huh? Okay, now go to circular pattern, and now we're gonna select this axis, 360, and we're gonna choose 6. All right, and we're gonna go to the first pattern and hit OK. We're going to repeat this process again a couple of times. 12. 2. 18. 3. 21 for 24 5 and again 27 and go to the last one. Okay, and now we go and hide these. We don't need them anymore. And go to mirror, click on this face, and then bodies. Just click on this one and hit OK. And there we have a golf ball. So we go again to fillet, choose radius 1 and just click on here. It's gonna take a while. Okay. And we can apply some materials. Let's go to plastic. And some seeds. This one looks good. That was it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.